Hello and welcome back to Detail in Product. Hello and welcome back to Detail in Product, the Instagram mini-series where we single out one of our products and we give you the what, when and how to use it. And today we're going to be focusing on our heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner. So, what is it? Good point. Well, it's a multi-purpose cleaner that's great for different surfaces of the car. Now this could be tyres, could be plastics, could be inner arches, engine bays, carpets. It's a professional strength cleaner derived from our professional range. Now this is going to cut through grease and grime and clean really efficiently, but also leave plastic areas with a factory finish. So when are you going to use it? Well, it depends on the surface area you're working on. It can be used in conjunction with our snow foam to pre-wash and degrease the car, or it can be used after an exterior detail to tidy up interior areas or engine bays. So how are you going to use it? Well, it can depend on the surface area you're working on, but generically all you need to do is spray the product onto the surface area, wait a few minutes and wipe away with a microfiber towel. Or for more intricate interior areas, you can use a dash and trim brush to agitate the product before wiping away with a microfiber towel. So let's recap on our heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner. So what is it? Well, it's a good all-rounder that's great for all exterior and interior surfaces. When you're going to use it? Pretty much any time you're cleaning or detailing the car. And how you're going to use it? Depending on the different surface area, but you generically want to spray the surface area and remove with a microfiber towel. Unfortunately, I've been Dale, but fortunately, this has been Detail in Product. Today, we've been talking about our heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner, but if you want to find out more about our products, you can head over to our YouTube channel.